A brave mum is enlisting the help of top scientists in Dundee to help fight the rare condition which may curtail her young son's life. Lorraine Thomas set up her own charity trust when son Oscar was diagnosed with a genetic disorder that only affects boys, and only around 50 of them in the UK. Craig Miller reports.
Little Oscar Thomas is a bundle of energy. Sadly, the 10-year-old from London suffers from a condition called Lowe Syndrome. It's a rare condition that affects only boys, produces cataracts in the eyes, defects in brain development and kidney problems. Today at Dundee University, he was symbolically handing over £50,000 to help discover why it happens. Scientists at the Wellcome Trust Biocentre are one of 3 research teams examining this genetically inherited disorder caused by a defective gene called OCRL1. Oscar came to Dundee today with his mum and dad to meet Dr. John Lowe, who'll be leading the work here. Oscar was also born with a hole in the heart, and when he was diagnosed with Lowe syndrome at the age of 6, his mother Lorraine was devastated.
I'd never heard of it at all, and because there's so little knowledge of it, we were told that Oscar probably wouldn't live till the age of 7, and he was nearly 6, so it's really devastating. And then I found out that there are some boys, it affects boys only, who've lived till mid-30s, but most of them do actually die in teens or teenage years, or if not just before the teenage years.
When Lorraine found that there was no government support or UK research into the condition, she established the Lowe Syndrome Trust, and in the past 3 years has raised £150,000, a third of that now going to Dundee. The Dundee team will endeavour to discover what the basic problem is in the cells of boys with the syndrome, leading hopefully to some form of treatment. Meanwhile, Lorraine has the constant worry of how long her son will be around.
I dread to think of the future. The prognosis is not good for any of the children, so we just live day to day, and that's why my campaign so hard to try and get awareness of the disease, to get research underway and to get funding.